Good morning. It's the 21st of March 2025. I've decided to record some video of my progress of making my waterfall. So here is my little workshop where I am making my fake stones, which have come out quite nice, I must say. I'm quite pleased with how they've come out. I've got several different types. Obviously I've got to make a lot more, but the way that I make them, some of them I just build around a pile of sand like this, or others I will use wire and some sort of wire like this, and use this and some netting around that, and then cover it in concrete, just using sand and cement. I'll take you to my waterfall. Here's my hut that I built. If you look over there, there's my waterfall in progress. Here's my little comfy swing. This is my homemade water filter. It's not really big enough for this massive great pond, but it's better than nothing. At least it's giving some oxygen to the water. I'll just show you. We have lots of fish in here, which can't see at the moment. There are lots of fish in here. Here they come. Yeah. A few goldfish. They call them whitefish, blanding, catfish. I'll take you to my waterfall. So this is the progress so far. I've just built the soil up to various levels. And the plan is to have water running down this side and water running down this side, so it all goes into there. So the next step is to dig a hole here. So I'll connect the water from that tank into here, put a tank in here, and then it will all fall into the pond here. So I'll dig the hole. We've got some plastic coming. Once I've dug the hole, I'll put some more soil around here, build the size up a bit, and then we'll put the plastic down. So I will update you when I get this hole dug and we get some plastic. Speak to you later. Okay, I've dug the hole. So water's going to come in from the tank, from the pipe, into here, and out here to my waterfall. So Next step, I've got to buy some pipe. Some of this concrete pipe. So I should pop to the local builder shop to buy some pipe. Come along. I'll be back. Okay, I've got my, it's actually a bin I'm going to use to connect the fountain to the pipes. Not fountain, the waterfall. There's the bin. Ready to go for my waterfall. I need one more pipe to connect to the existing. So I'm still waiting for my plastic to arrive. So in the meantime, I've decided I'm going to show you how I make this. So I'm going to make another one of these to go here. So let's go to my workshop and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so what I have here, I have an old piece of matting that I used to use for teaching, and I've fixed a piece of this wire mesh to it, and I've got a little bit of reinforcing just to give it a bit of strength, and then I'm just going to cover that with some concrete, which I have prepared already. It's a mix of 3 and 1, 3 sand, 1 cement, and a little bit of glue just to give it a little bit of stickiness. This helps it all stick together. Okay, so I shall put it down onto these blocks and then I'll show you how I put it together. Okay, so first thing I do, I get some muck. Adding the glue to the muck also makes it a bit like a plasticizer. It makes it fluffy, nice to work with. I need to invest in a camera stand so I don't have to hold the camera while I'm doing this. Okay, so I'll just spread it out a bit. And my reinforcing, tap it down. Okay, and I just build the front up. So I'll build the front up, then I'll build the sides up, and then I'll start making the patterns. So I'll switch it off for now and I'll get back to you. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to take shape. I can just shape it how I want. Try to make it look as natural as possible. Put some maybe cracks in it. Okay, so that's what I've got to do. I'll come back to you. Okay, got the basic shape. I'll just let that go off a little bit, let it harden a little bit, and then I'll give it a light brushing with my paintbrush. I'll use this just to smooth it down a little bit. I'll just give it its finishing touches, and once that's done I'll leave it to dry, maybe 3 or 4 days. Then I'll come back to it, sand it down a little, paint it and seal it. And that's how you make a fake watch.